Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. And here let's choose the one you want to edit, for example Jerry, and click on this camera icon. Here, as you can see, you can either take a new profile picture or add one from your gallery. So let me pick the gallery. And let's pick the picture you want to edit. Here you can adjust the size of the square. You can actually adjust the size of the photo which you will see after saving the contact. So I think I will stick with this. If you're ready, click on done. And as you can see, here we've got our picture. If you're happy with the results, click on save. And as you can see, the photo has been applied successfully. Let's get back, and here it also appears. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy A21s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.